Stop! Hey! No! 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 Mom! Mom! Mom!
A former Beaufort County deputy is now facing criminal charges for the confrontation with teenagers in a Hilton Head Island neighborhood that was caught on camera and shared widely online. A second adult is also facing charges. WSAV's Danielle Cobb has been following this case from the very beginning. She joins us now live from our Lowcountry Bureau with more on these latest developments.
William Squires was booked into Beaufort County Detention Center this morning on 5 different charges. He was booked alongside a neighbor who was also involved in the incident that took place on September 28th in the Hilton Head Squiregate neighborhood. Video footage shows Squires drawing his weapon on 3 juveniles.
George, stop! 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 Hey! No! 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 Mom! Mom! Mom!
Facing 4 counts of pointing and presenting a firearm at a person and 1 count of aggravated breach of peace. The warrant from the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division tails Squires being drunk while near his Hilton Head home, where he got a call from a neighbor about teens allegedly flashing guns while walking through the neighborhood. Squires then grabbed his sheriff's vest and gun and pointed it at the kids who were walking in the area. One juvenile stated they feared Squires was going to shoot him. Another stated they feared they were going to die. Squires is said to not have properly identified himself as law enforcement and failed to report the incident to dispatch before engaging. The warrant also points out that there was no reasonable basis or legal justification for Squires to engage and escalate the situation with the weapon. Also arrested, Henry Stahlheber, the neighbor who called Squires. He is described in the warrant as physically restraining one of the kids and telling officers on the scene that one of the young people had an extended magazine on a weapon and it was flashed at him. It was later determined that none of the kids had a gun, which Stahlheber later admitted in an interview with police. His actions were labeled as dangerous and disorderly. Stahlheber is facing breach of peace and giving false information charges. Both Squires and Stahlheber were reported to be under the influence of alcohol at the time of the incident. We know one of the juveniles' family has filed a federal lawsuit. Their attorney said due to the seriousness of the case, they will not be making a statement. Squires was released this afternoon on a combined $40,000 cash bond for pointing a weapon and a $25,000 personal recognizance bond for breach of peace. Stahlheber was released on a $25,000 cash bond for breach of peace. Falsifying information is a magistrate charge, which he will go to court for in January. Squires is scheduled for court on December 12th. Reporting live from the Lowcountry Newsroom, I'm Danielle Cobb, WSAV News 3, on your side.